Hello, this is James from Denmark again. Today I will show you our desktop welding machine, this one. And this machine has 4 axes. 1, 2, 3, and one the rotary axis. So totally 4 axes. And these 2 parts are just customized clamps. And you see it can rotate. So it can weld a circle. Before welding, it's like this. So it's need to weld a circle. And after welding, we get like this. You can see the welding seal. So this machine just can automatically welding these parts, and it can save your labor and save your time. And just one worker can just weld it 1,000 parts just per day. So it's very high efficient. So this machine will be very high efficient to make the same parts like the first room parts, or like the kitchen parts, and like the bowls and some cups, or some just small ones. So many is very high efficient and can save you labor. So if you have same requirements and this machine, you can contact us. We can just provide customized service. We will give you the customized clamps and welding machine. Okay, now let me try it by myself, because this progress is already adjusted, so it can just be practiced by men, by only 1 people. And now I will try it by myself. First, I need to put on my gloves and put on my safety glasses. Okay. So I have 1 piece of this workpiece. I will put it to the clamps, and okay, it's already fastened. And now you see we touch this button. Now we touch this button. It will be fastened and clamps by the 2 sides. And you see the screen. There is you see there is the light, the horizontal line already to the welding seam align. So it means that it's fastened okay, its position is okay. So I can step the foot switch here. See? Try it. Okay. Now the machine is going. It's automatically going to seam. Well. Okay, now the welding is finished. I just touch this button, and the put is very hot, so I put it out. You see, this is already weld a circle. So I think its operation is very easy, can just carried out by me. So if the progress is already set okay, and all the clamps is designed well, so only 1 people just trained by half an hour, I think, can just operate this machine. So it's very easy to operate. If you have family want to start out a business, you can try this machine. It's very useful to just weld some like the chicken accessories, kitchen accessories, and like the bathroom accessories. So many small parts like the cups and the bottles. You can use this machine, and the clamps will be customized for your requirements. So I think this is a good machine. And if you want to make this machine, you can contact us. So thank you. Yeah, finished.